Hi, and thank you for joining me today. I have a few minutes. I need to speak to you about what's going on with the trade we've been doing, simple trading. So we're going to open our screen share and make it so that you can all see what I'm talking about. New Zealand, USD. Same pair I've been dealing with for a little over 2.5 months now. And it's a good thing. The longer I stay with it, the better off it's going to do what I want it to do by following the trade trend that it has shown over a time frame. Once again, this trade is NZDUSD, and it's a buy, which is a 0.01. A small lot size makes it so I can stay in the trade longer and not worry about my stop loss or even my take profit. So I can set it and forget it. My entry price is at 0.68310. My stop loss is currently at 6,000 pips or $60. And it is at 0.62310. And my take profit is again at 6,000 pips or $60. And it is at 0.74310. The reason this has been changed to a 6,000 pip as well as a $60 stop loss is because where my trade is sitting right now, the bonus, the balance that's in it is actually $670.84, an increase, about $54, if not a little more. Because the last time we spoke, it was at 616. So it's a little bit different, but it's not too much. And the reason it's gone to the 6,000 pips for stop loss as well as take profit is because this trade was started when it opened yesterday at 5 p.m. Eastern. It was actually at a negative $29.95. And it was sitting at 5,000 to 5,500 pips. Well, I was watching it and paying attention to the pattern that it gave me throughout the time frame, and I realized that it really wasn't going to hurt me to go up to the 6,000. 6,000 pips and 6,000 stop loss is 6,000 pips in my take profit, or negative $60 for a stop loss, or a positive $60 for a profit. A 1-to-1 ratio. 1 risk, 1 profit. Same ratio makes it so that I'm managing my margin level. I'm keeping an eye on my leverage and what I'm doing. My margin level is currently at 3,122.97%. And that's not a bad thing. If you look at this bottom bar on the left-hand side, bottom of it, it's saying that the equity is $639.99. That means I'm a negative $30.85. Not that big of a deal. That's 3,000, I would say 85 pips. Not that big of a deal. My equity is $639.99. Meaning, if I close this account out and shut down this trade, I still have over $630 in my balance for this account. Margin level is just $20.49. And the free margin is the $619.50. That means I can go as far as over 600 before I have to worry about being stomped out or shut down. The brokers will close you down if you continue to lose. They will definitely shut you down. So I would be very, very careful and keep your margin level at a certain percentage to 2,800 to where it is a 3,100 right now is I'm ideal. I don't have to worry about this trade at all. So I can set it and look at it maybe once every other day or so. But being that I train you on it, I'm looking at it every day. Still not a problem. And I will show you what I'm talking about. When I go into the minute, can you tell me what's going on there? I don't see much. There's not that much movement in 1 minute time frame. A 5 minute time frame, it's still not that much there. Can't make a very good decision on where you want to do something. A 15-minute time frame. Now we're seeing a little movement, but can you tell me what to do? Can you tell me where it's going? Don't have the whole story. Have maybe the first page of a book, of a story. Maybe. If you're a fast reader, you might have the first chapter in the minute 30. That's 30 minutes time frame. Still not getting a very clear picture here. And you cannot go a long term with the 30-minute time chart. Now the hour time chart, it's giving me a clearer picture. I can see what's going on. And I can make a guesstimate, but I still question if I have the full story. Then we go into the 4 hour, and now we're really getting the picture here. We can see what's happening and what has been happening just for today, the last 4 hours. So that's why I hit the day time chart. Day time chart will tell me exactly what happened since this time yesterday. And yesterday the market opened back up, so I can definitely see what's going on. Last night when I went to sleep, it was a negative $31.98. So in that time frame, then this morning I got up and it was at a negative $29.20. So from 29 to 20 to a negative 30.85 from 9 a.m. this morning till now, it's not that much has been going on. But it's not a problem because we are right in the ball game. We can see by looking here at this trade exactly what the pattern is going on. You got 1, 2, 3, and it goes up. Then you got 1, 2, 3, and it goes down. You got 1, 2, 3, and it's going to go up. Believe me when I say this, it's throughout this whole trade. It goes 1, 2, 3. 3 touches and goes up. 3 touches and goes up. 3 touches and goes up. And it's all through this trade. Makes it easier to see without a bunch of indicators on, making this a naked chart. It's not a problem. The higher in the time chart that you go, the more you're able to see the patterns that the trade is telling you it's going to be doing. That's why I like the higher time charts. Now I'm a long-term trader. I don't get in a trade in a short amount of time. As I stated when we first started, I've been doing this trade for 3.5 months in that time frame. Months. That's 5 days a week, 4 weeks a month. Yeah, 3 to 4. Actually, let's see. That's 3 months that I've been doing this. Now, I want you to keep in mind that although the trade will turn around, and you can put in a sale if you want to pick up those pips, or possible another buy in another broker, because if I were to do it in here with the first in, first out rule that this broker has, it makes it difficult to do another trade do another position in this trade. And the reason I do it with very little to no indicators is due to my health issues. There's many times I will wake up in the morning with no memory and no knowledge of any education. Learning how this skill to trade in the market is definitely an education. That's why it's not having a whole lot of indicators or any other lines or trend lines or patterns or anything to that other than this one trade, this one specific position as a buy, not a sell. That doesn't mean you can't do it. It just says that I'm having difficulty following and doing so much more when I have to relearn it every single day. So it's a win-win-win situation. I have no issue with the time frame or waiting it out. I'm very happy with that. Now I'm going to go up into the week to see, so you can see what's going on. And that way, you can see what I was talking about. If you look right here, yeah, just above August, you can see what the trade was doing. August of 2015 has nothing to do with it definitely shows me what the trade is looking to do, and I am well below where it could actually go through my stop loss. So it's not a concern, not an issue. Now we're going to go back to the day, because that is where I like to keep my trades and make sure all the chart is shown on one area. We're going to stop our screen share and see if there's any questions. Going once, going twice, and gone. Keep in mind that this week, on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and even Monday, I won't be training on the trade, but I will be showing inserts from the event. And I hope to see you there. If not, I'll get this online and you can see what was going on at that time. In the meantime, have a great day and thank you for coming. Bye-bye and good night or good morning, wherever you might be. Bye-bye now.